Sanbonani, igama lami ubonga wakamahlaba from Bongappetit. So namhlanje we're making what you call a chicken schnitzel. Kids love chicken schnitzel, mom loves chicken schnitzel, and it takes under 15 minutes to make. So my chicken schnitzel will be going with a mushroom sauce and some chips. So I have a chicken breast, I've got chicken breast, I've got buttermilk, I've got amakanda, chicken spicy, barbecue, I've got the salt and pepper. Then I have crushed cornflakes, so that is gonna give crunch to my chicken schnitzel. Then I've got my chips, then I'm gonna fry, and I've got crum, I've got flour, and I have mushroom for a mushroom sauce. Okay, I need to put my flour here. So I need to flavor my flour as well. So fagam, 1 spoon of barbecue spice on go flour. Then I'm gonna put a chicken spice, go flour wami. Then salt and pepper for seasoning. Then I'm gonna just mix my flour. So I'm just gonna chop. Now so far kona las fage na we mix yami eqanda. Then the chicken yethu sizoyisika phakathi which is butterfly. So chicken my butterfly ibankulu. So we cut her in the center. Then it's butterfly. Okay, then salt for seasoning. So chicken yethu ipuqa ku flour. Ama chicken spicy yethu sizoyifaka la eqandeni. Then the salt and pepper for seasoning. Just a bit of curry powder to give it a kick, you know. Let's see a mixer. Okay, now so. Then must get the chicken here to see further to our cornflakes. Let's go straight to our cornflakes. And do kancane nje ukufaka uflour wakho kancane nje. Then mayiphuma la mixing yethu yeqanda izongena la kwi cornflakes. The cornflakes, what it actually does is gonna give a nice crunchy feel. So for our mushroom sauce, we're gonna need our mushroom, of course. I love mushroom sauce. Okay, just gonna add butter on my mushrooms. Yeah. Then I'm gonna add my fries. Nice. Bit of flour. Just gonna add cream. Okay. Look at this. It's golden brown. Okay, we're turning on the other side. Look at my chicken, nice and golden brown. So let's dish up. Look at that, chicken is ready. So we're gonna garnish our chicken with our herbs. Nancy, this is our dish, a chicken schnitzel and chips ready. So just a quick recap on my ingredients. I use cornflakes, I use flour, I use chicken spice, I use barbecue spice, salt and pepper, and chips. So for my mushroom sauce, I use butter, cream, flour, mushrooms, and salt and pepper. So there you go, chicken schnitzel and your chips. Igama lami ubonga ngamahlaba, Bongappetit. Enjoy your chicken schnitzel and chips. Ngiyabonga.